I just woke up and I'm supposed to leave in 10 minutes, which obviously is not gonna happen now because I haven't packed. So, ugh, let's get it together, Reagan. Let's go. Been out here before to the new place, so this is like all new to me as well. All right, I think we're here. Not really sure where my family lives though. So I'm just trying to follow the arrows. This is like a new neighborhood, so I'm very lost, to say the least. Oh, I think I found it.
What are you doing?
Say hello.
Hi! How's it going?
Say hello, older brother.
Hi.
Can you stop? Good morning, guys. It's officially Christmas Eve and my family is making fun of me like they always do. I can hear them in the background laughing at me. I'm hiding in the bathroom because they won't stop and they're embarrassing me. So we're getting ready to go to the grocery store and get our stop it, guys! I can hear you! So I thought we were going to the grocery store. We're not. In fact, we're coming to this really cool coffee shop. It's kind of loud. I hope you can hear me. To eat breakfast. If we're ever going to get food at the grocery store. Just walked into our second antique store and these take a long time to go through, so we'll see. Alright, we are leaving downtown Denton and I think we're actually gonna go to the grocery store now to get stuff for dinner tonight and tomorrow. Hi guys, I just woke up from a nap. I think all of us were like really tired after going to the grocery store, but we're getting ready to decorate the tree and make dinner, so let's go.
Oh no, it's too short. Oh, it is. Oh.
What the hell did that happen? Uh-oh, Mom is, she's mad. She is not happy it's too short. Oh.
Turn it the other way. To that light. Okay, turn this way.
When I came out here this morning, I saw some things added for us on the tree. We each have like little envelopes, and then the kids actually have presents. Oh, we have presents too, according to Mom.
It's not the prettiest. It's not the prettiest, but you know.
Not the prettiest, but it is really good. Like, even without anything on it, it's so good.
It's a...
Oh, you're a coffee.
Yeah.
You got me more from Chamois, right? Well, Mom knows what I've always been. Now I have blue ones, red ones, and black ones. So you can actually like see that strip now.
You know you can't actually rip up the
Yeah, I did. And it's got like, but it's like paper and. Alright, so we're gonna start on the cookies. I'll do that first, which will be nice because I'll actually have a mixer. It's like really hard to do by hand. So I guess we'll start on those first. It's about 1:30, right? Yeah, 1:30, and then, I don't know, we'll just see how long it takes. We played cards for like an hour, I guess?
Yeah, for like an hour and a half.
Yeah, for like an hour. Fought a little bit, and now we'll maybe fight some more.
Fought a little bit, we love each other now.
Yeah, I swear we love each other, but we mostly just fight and bicker this whole time.
We should make sure we don't change the recipe in the middle of baking them.
I'm not gonna change the oh my gosh. It's because I called out a game rule that we were ignoring, but I remembered it when it negatively affected me. So because I remembered an important rule in the game, now I'm a cheater, apparently.
Okay, emphasis on negatively affected
Emphasis on in the middle of the game. She wanted to change the rule.
Well, I just remembered it then. It's not my fault. I didn't remember it before then. I haven't played the game in a long time.
Now we're baking cookies.
Yeah, now we're gonna make cookies. We say with anger in our voices, aggressively make cookies. Okay, so we're actually not eating dinner here tonight. We're gonna go over to my brother's house, and we made some macaroni and cheese. We've got some cookies we're taking, and we're gonna go over there and eat dinner with his family, so that works out great. All right, it's my last semi-day in Texas. I'm leaving. Austin's pouring me some coffee for the road. I think my mom's on the phone. But I'm going back to OKC. Christmas, 'tis the season, but it's over. Christmas is done, so time to go home. It was so sunny this morning, but it got really cold. I just got home from being at my mom's house for Christmas, and it made me think about what the meaning of Christmas really is, because you always see, you know, all these extravagant displays, there's decorations, there's shopping, there's gift giving, but this holiday season, I really feel like I realized that Christmas isn't so much about the decorations or the food or the presents that you receive, but for me, it's more about spending time with your family. They live 3 hours away from me now, and so while we can talk on the phone quite often, we really don't get to spend a ton of time together. And so for me, the holidays are less about gifts, less about traditions, and more about just getting to actually see each other and reconnect. So with that, I am signing off. If you did celebrate Christmas, I hope you had an awesome one, and I hope you all have a wonderful New Year. Bye, guys.